Vacuum forming is a common plastic processing method. How does it transform plastic sheets into products of various shapes? Hello everyone, welcome to IT manufacture. Today we will take you into the world of vacuum forming and uncover its secrets. Vacuum forming is a manufacturing process where a heated and softened a plastic sheet is adhered to the surface of a mold through vacuum suction, then cooled to take shape. The typical process flow of vacuum forming includes sheet heating, forming, cooling, and demolding. Vacuum forming offers the following advantages: simple equipment and low cost. Compared to other processing methods, the equipment is simpler and more cost-effective, capable of forming large area products, can produce large-size products, short mold production cycle. Mold production is straightforward and has a short lead time, suitable for small batch production, ideal for small batch, multi-variety production. Applications of vacuum forming. Vacuum forming is widely applied across various fields such as packaging industry, for example, food packaging and electronics packaging, advertising industry, such as light boxes and display stands, automotive industry, including car interior parts and dashboards, medical industry, such as medical equipment, housings, and trays. IT manufacture is equipped with advanced vacuum forming equipment and technology, providing customers with high-quality vacuum forming services. Contact us to learn more.